Welcome to today's play along session. Grab your instrument and get ready to practice with me. If you haven't learned this song yet or want a step-by-step breakdown, click the link above to watch the full tutorial first. Otherwise, let's dive right in. Here's how to get the most out of this session. Now first, you're going to start at a comfortable pace and you can always adjust the video speed in your YouTube settings. Second, follow the highlighted chord charts on screen in real time. And third, don't worry about making mistakes. Repeat any section until you feel completely confident. Before we start playing, take a quick look at the song roadmap on screen. Knowing the overall structure from the verse to the chorus will help your transition smoothly and keep your timing solid throughout the piece. Now let's get ready to play. Make sure you're seated comfortably centered at middle C. Position your left and your right hand on the first position according to the song. We'll be playing at steady, practice-friendly tempo. Take a deep breath and let's play! Today. Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.